Share about this video last week. Yes, I share about this platform on my on my Telegram group and my WhatsApp group. So since then I've been earning my money on this platform, but I have not withdraw. This will be my first withdraw on this platform, if it's paying or not. So right now, guys, let's see if this platform is still paying or not. Let's see. But before I do that, let me show you how to perform your task. Let me tell you more about this platform. So when you register on this platform, this is a platform where you can just perform a simple task. Just watch a video that is less than 20 seconds video. Yes, 20 seconds video, just 20 seconds video, and you will make your money. But you need to invest on this platform before you can make money on this platform. So if you want to invest, you check their investment plans on this platform, check everything and check them from investment 1, 2, 3, something like that. You check it, and their daily income per video. For example, this area 3 here now, this one is 30k. This one you will watch 5 video and will give you 720 per video. This area 2 here is 330, and you will watch 5 video and will give you 330 per video. So you can do your calculation. 330 naira times 5, you can know the amount you'll be earning. So right now, let's see something on this platform. Let's see if they are paying or not. I want to withdraw right now, but I think I have not had my withdrawal address. Let me add up my withdrawal address. Okay, this is it. So I want to withdraw 3k. That's how you can withdraw. You cannot withdraw all money at once. You can only withdraw the way they set it up on this platform. So right now, input your fundy password, withdrawal password. So I have input my withdrawal password. Now you click on withdraw now. So withdraw successfully right now. So I'm going to wait till I receive the payment. If you check here, you will see that my withdrawal balance right now is on processing right now, 3k. So let's see if this platform is going to pay us or not. If they are not going to pay, I'm going to let you guys know. So right now, before as we're waiting, so let me show you something how to perform your task on this platform. So if you want to perform your task on this platform, you will click here. You click on this button here, TikTok ad. So this is what you will do. This is the video you are going to watch. As you can see, this is the amount of video you are going to watch, 0/5. That is 5 times video. So you can do it like this. This is the video you're going to watch. Just click here. Just click on it and start watching the video. The video is just 20 seconds video, so it doesn't mean you should watch it finish. Immediately you are watching it and you see it that it load here, then that means you have watched one. Load here, load here, load here. That is all. So let me pause the video now and watch everything and replay again. So if you look here very well now, you can see that I have watched like 2 videos already. 2 videos, and you can see my loading here already now. So let's continue watching it. Let me watch again. So I have watched all the video right now, and I have earned my today's money, today's income, daily income. So right now, let me go back and check if they have paid that money. Withdrawal record. Where is my withdrawal record? Click here, click here. Let's see. Withdrawal record still on processing. Long ago, I received the money from this platform. You can see it's withdrawal balance successful. Right now, as you can see, it's 3K. Don't forget, I withdraw to my USDT wallet address. I withdraw to USDT address. I don't withdraw direct to my Naira bank account. So I received the actual payment of I think 4.40 something dollars. Let me go and check it. Let's see. Let me go and check it to you. Let's see. So this is the money, $4.29, 4.29 USDT. That is the amount I received from the platform. You can see it here, $4.29. So guys, TikTok NG is still paying. TikTok NG CC is still paying. That is how to make money on the platform. That's nothing. That is the only thing you'll be doing on the platform to make money on the platform. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Thank you for being here. See you soon on my next video. And for if you want to recharge your account on this platform, this is what you need to do. We click, you just have to click on the plans you want to go for. Click on the plans you want to go for. You click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, this is what we do. Input the amount you want to deposit. The minimum is 5,000 naira. So deposit the amount, then click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, it will take you to a page where you are going to, you will recharge 5,000, where you are going to receive the uh, account balance you are sending, account name you are sending money to. This is Pampe Sunday Alimi. So you are going to send 5,000, the amount you want to do. You go to send it to the person, and the narration. This narration you copy. You click on copy of this narration and you input it as your payment description. So after that, you will come back here and input your name here, the sender name, the name of the sender name. You input it here, then you click on submit. So that is all. You must do it before this time turn to zero elapse. So that is how to recharge on this platform. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.